Hi guys, it's Justyn here, Trader187, and I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on trading profiles on Metatrader 4 MT4. So what I've made a trading profile is this thing down here. On mine it says MA example, yours will say default. This is how it looks on default. But what it means is it's basically a way that you can save all your charts rather than having to click through many of the charts. I'll show you an example now. So for example, this is your, say you click off all your charts, it's a blank chart, no, it's a blank profile, sorry, no charts are on there. You can click on this. You may want to have 4 Euro USD charts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember previously how you set up your charts, but I'll do it again now. Right click, properties, colors. I like to have a white background, foreground black, black. Bullish candles, I like to have them as green. Bearish candles, red. My ask line, I like to be grey. Stop level red. Chart on foreground, candlesticks, show ask line, show period separators. That's how I like to have mine. Press OK. Zoom in a little. One more. So now you can see it looks like a normal chart again. Then you right click, template, save template. I'll call this one example. Save. Now instead of changing each one of these the same, all you need to do is right click on the chart, template, example, right click, template, example, and right click, template, example. And you'd like to have them neatly on the screen. All you'd have to do for that is press window, tile horizontally, it looks like this, or you can have window, tile vertically, and it looks like this. Or you can have cascade, which is like that, but I'll have tile vertically. As you can see, each chart is a Euro USD. They're all on 1 hour. It can be changed, so one can be 1 hour, another can be 4 hour, one can be 1 week, and another can be 5 minutes. So you can see that they've all changed. But one of the main things, or one of the main problems that people have, is when entering a different trade or looking at a different currency pair, you have to drag and drop so that it changes all the rest of them, which is not what we want to do. So to make it easier for you, just put that one back to Euro USD. All you will need to do now is click on default at the bottom, press save profile as, and then you write Euro USD, because these are all Euro USD, and press OK. Then you can make another one now. You'll go to default, you can window, tile vertically, and previously they were all Euro USD, but now we'll change them to GBP JPY. Change this to example. So now you can see all of these are GBP JPY. Now we'll click on default again, press save profile as, and we'll use GBP JPY, which is the same as up here. Press OK, and we'll do one more. So click on this, click on default again, window, tile vertically, and go to your market watch. This time we'll do AUD USD. So you drag it and drop onto each chart. You go on default, press save profile as, and we'll call this one AUD USD as the same as up here, and press OK. So now you've saved all your profiles. So instead of having to drag and drop and opening new charts, all you'll need to do is click down here where it says AUD USD, change it, Click on it, change your current profile to Euro USD. You can see that they all changed to Euro USD. It also saves everything that you've got on there as well. So I'll put this as an example, that one and that one. Then we'll click on the bottom again, we'll go to GBP JPY. You can see everything changes to GBP JPY. Click on again, AUD USD, everything changes to AUD USD. We'll go back to Euro USD, and you can see that the analysis, or sorry, the boxes that I done previously are still on there. So again, this is a short video to help you save time on MT4 and changing profiles. I hope this video helps. If you'd like more information on how to do quicker things on MT4 and your way around MT4, feel free to contact us at the link below. Like and subscribe to the YouTube video and the YouTube page. Also join our mailing list, where we'll provide you with PDF files and more video tutorials. Again, if you'd like more information, feel free to contact us. I hope that helps.